Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video we have to unbox a smartwatch, and this one is from the Banggood website. You can find the link below. So let's do a quick unboxing and testing of this smartwatch. So as you can see, the smartwatch is Zeblaze Vibe 4 hybrid, and you will see why it is called hybrid, at least I'm guessing. So this watch is from the Zeblaze technology company, and it supports both Android and iOS companies. It is waterproof up to 50 meters. So let's check it out. So here we got the instruction manual and the watch itself. That is all what we will get in the box. Now let's see a closer look of the watch. As I mentioned before, it is called hybrid watch because it has both analog and digital time. So as you can see, it has both mechanical hands as well as the digital you will see later on when we pair it with the phone. So to start the smartwatch in behind, we use these two buttons. Press them simultaneously and it should turn on. So now it is on, and as you can see, all other functions are now available. So let's check some of these. What we have in the front is the sapphire glass, and outside is the stainless steel metallic body, as you can see from behind here. It is very beautiful from behind, and it has this rubber sport straps, so even if you are running or some kind of activities, it will not be affected by your sweat, and you can easily wash it because this watch is waterproof as well. Some of the main features of this watch is that it supports steps counting and burned calories, walking distance. You can set up to 3 alarms. It also supports stopwatch function as well as the remote camera shutter. In addition, it will remind you to your incoming calls or SMS or messages from your social media like WeChat, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype, etc. All this is possible when you connect it to the Sports Plus app. On the left side you can see Bluetooth blinking, and this is it searching to be paired with the phone. So once you install the app, you can easily pair it, and I will show you that right now. Now, as you can see here, I was able to pair it with the app for both iOS and Android operating systems. So the app which it uses is called Sports Plus app. You will be able to find it by just scanning the code provided in instruction manual. Once you pair it, it will automatically synchronize the date and the time, and you will be able to use the all features like remote camera shutter and synchronizing the data as well as other features. However, this app is still not perfect. As you can see, it distorts the image and it does not represent the real values on the picture. Hence, I think these Chinese companies should invest more into improving the app for the smartwatch. But as you can see, everything works normally and you can take the pictures. What I mostly like about this watch is that it supports both mechanical and digital timings, so you can use it in any occasion, either it is sports or some elegant occasions. Some of the cons of this watch which some user can find inconvenient is the thickness of the watch, which is 16.3 mm, so I would rather have it to be less thicker than that. The display is 1.24 inches, which is more than enough for any occasion. Now, if we compare it with the regular watch, it looks really handsome, and everybody will notice this watch on your hand because it is really big and muscular. Another thing which I like about this watch is very easy setting up the watch, as you can see here, without any problem, and it is suitable for the wrist sizes 130 to 230 millimeters. Setting up the time watch is really easy, so you just need to pull this crown here and then you can set it up to any time you want. And now let's go outside to test some of the features of this watch. So as I mentioned before, it is waterproof, so we are going to test that. But before testing the water resistance, let's try to measure the walking steps. So I found a perfect company to help me with running and measuring the walking steps. I'm going to follow this cat and let's see, will the steps improve automatically. So as you will see now, once I follow the cat, the steps do not synchronize automatically, so you don't see the steps increasing. However, as you stop and move the dials to the steps, you will see that it was counted, all the steps. Oh, they say the watch is waterproof, so I found a perfect place to test this. I think it was enough. Even the phone is waterproof, so that's lucky. But yeah, it still works, that's good. After we put this watch up to the limits, let's now check, is it everything fine, everything is counting. So let's go here now for the steps. As you can see, it counts. Calories, it is also counting. Kilometers, 1.3 counting. Let's try this. This is alarm. Let's try the stopwatch. Everything is working perfectly, even after the abuse we gave to this watch. So I will give this watch a solid 8 out of 10. So these 2 marks I will remove because it's a bit pricey, but other than that, it is really awesome watch if you like these kind of hybrid watches with both mechanical and smartwatch features. So stay tuned until the next video. If you want, check the Banggood website below. They have many other deals and they ship worldwide. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum. May peace be upon you.